Hi Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday, February the 10th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, and this is a beautiful Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, I see this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 7, 8, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. But I see in this row, these two empty squares cannot be a 1, cannot be a 7, cannot be an 8 in these two blocks. So the 8, 7 and 1 should be here. 8, 7 and 1. And I see here immediately 1 and 8. So one digit is left, the 7. So here should be a 7. 8 and 1, 8 and 1. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 5 is here and there. But I see here a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then let me see, a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 is here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2 should be this one. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 is here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then yes, in this this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. And see here 6, so no 6 there. In these 2 boxes, 1 box remains for the 6 should be this one. Then 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 4. I see here a 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 3. Then two numbers left for the third column. The numbers are 3 and 7. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Then let me think. Yes. 6. Yes, alright. In this big square, no. Let me see. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then yes, this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. I see there 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Only place for the 6 should be here. Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. But I see here already a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. That means in this column, 1 digit left for the number 4. Yes. 2 digit left in the third row for the numbers 9 and 5. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 1 and 3. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 digit left in this column for the number 1. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then yes, this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. I see here 4, so no 4 in this box. 1 box remains for the 4, should be this one. Then 6, 8, and 6. Let me think. Here was the 8 and the 4. 4. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for 3 is here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. I see here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 here. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 is here. 6, 8, 2 digits left in this column for the numbers 8 and 6. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 8. 2 digits left for this row for the numbers 1 and 9. Do we have a 9 here? No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 9, that means these two, also 1 and 9. Well, these two, for the first row, the 2 missing numbers are 1 and 6. 1 and 8. Correction, 1 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 6. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. I see there an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8, should be this one. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this last column for the number 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 9, same like here. 4 and 9 in this column. 4 and 9, we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 9. 2 digits left for this row for the numbers 9 and 1. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 1. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we finish this in 13 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.